Restoring environments to a point in time. Protecting business-critical data is of course extremely important. Sometimes, however, the unexpected happens and things go wrong. For example, as an unintended result of a user action or a mistake by a developer. To help you recover, local and delegated administrators can go to the Business Central Admin Center and restore any production and sandbox environment to any point in time, up to 30 days in the past, within the same release version of Business Central. The process is easy. First, let your organization know that you're going to be doing some maintenance, and that the Business Central environment won't be available. Choose the environment and rename it so people can't access it using the old name. Choose Restore. Select a point where you believe the data is good. You can choose to restore it to a sandbox environment where you can test the data, or production to continue working immediately. And then restore the data. Depending on the size of your data, this might take some time. If we want, we can monitor progress on the Operations tab. The operation is scheduled, so let's give it some time to complete. Let's open the list of environments, and our new environment is now restored. When you're sure that you have the correct data, you can delete the old environment and let people know that the restored environment is ready.